Hi, boys and girls. It's time for Sounds with Mr. Slates. All right, we're going to start our alphabet song again. And if you remember right, when we do our alphabet song, we are doing the sounds of the letters, not the names. Let's see if today we can do it quicker. Are you ready? Here we go. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, A, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Great job. All right, it's time for our second sound activity. Do you notice something different on the screen? This time, instead of two pictures, there's a picture and a circle. The circle represents the other part of the word that we are going to take off and say what's left. Are you ready? Here we go. Say ice cube. Without cube, the word is ice. Good job. Say inbox. Without box, the word is in. Say spaceship. Without ship, the word is space. Ooh. Say back door. Without door, the word is back. Say playtime. Without time, the word is play. Good job. Say helpful. Without full, the word is help. Say handball. Without ball, the word is hand. Do you see it waving? Say necktie. Without tie, the word is neck. Say bulldog. Without dog, the word is, ooh, look at that bull. Great job. All right, let's do our next sound activity. This is called blending. Do you remember doing this the last time? I'm going to let Mario the Moose help us again, but this time we're going to do it a little differently. Just like the last time, Mario the Moose will say the sounds and you guess what word he's trying to say. But then the second time, I will say the sound slowly and Mario will try to guess what I'm saying. How about that? Are you ready? Say hi, Mario. Hi. Say hi, boys and girls. All right, here we go. Listen to his sounds and see what word he's trying to say. Are you ready, Mario? Ape. Can you do that again, Mario? Ape. Huh, I think that's another animal. I think he's saying ape. Did you hear it? Of course you did. All right, my turn. Ready, Mario? What am I trying to say? Ache. 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 I was saying ache. You're right. Next one. Are you ready, boys and girls? Go ahead, Mario. I'm. Can you say that again? I'm. What do you think he's saying? I think he's saying I'm. Like I'm a teacher. Nice job. My turn. Are you ready, Mario? Listen carefully. Here's my words. Sorry, here's my sounds. Itch. Itch. What am I saying? Do you know? Itch. Yeah, like I have an itch. All right, last one. Are you ready, Mario? You do the sounds. Here we go. Ash. Ash. What's he saying, boys and girls? Ash. I think he's saying ash. Did you hear it? I think I heard it. All right. Nice job with Sounds with Mr. Slates today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.